This is it! Morris, make me sneeze! Oh, Morris, I can't take it back! Morris, make me sneeze! One goose, two ducks, three crows, four friends, 5 hours, 6 feet, 7 peas, 8 eyes, 9 butts, 10 butterflies. The ant. This is the corner. The Morris make me sneeze. Or don't go to bed. The hair. Right. The government. The goose. The Morris make me sneeze. Oh, we're gonna. Because I can't mess up. But. We Maria got an egg shaker test. Go fun good. Don't go so Morris make me sneeze. I'm gonna get the current. Screen. Find the good. I got it. Or with the brush. Oh! What's the good? Attention. No. The guy. What's the guy again? Oh! The Morris make me sneeze. Oh, on your mark. Get set. Go. The race a car to get Morris make me sneeze. What do we? We can't turn to Morris make me sneeze or something of the fun not to go to Morris make me sneeze. Oh no, Morris make me sneeze. Or I can't for is what do when let's get the word of Morris make me sneeze. Word no. What happened? What the track? We do know the Morris make me sneeze. What stupid? Let's get the no make the Morris make me sneeze. Oregon forever. You could think Morris make me sneeze. Oregon not. Here you come. Oregon better come. The Morris make me sneeze. Oregon the bully. Come back goodness. The last thing. It gonna was kind of Morris make me sneeze. Oregon is where's what stupid? Looking in the face, take out forever, the lost forever. Buzz, what that in the one?
Baby.
And? What is it? What's the cat's name?
Yeah, it's Bootsy. Calico.
Quick, escape! Stickers! Let's go, grab. Pete the cat. Go, Pete, go! Round one. For you. Fight! No! That's good. Is that? What? Or I guess like dude, the Fly Guy play says sharks. Round 2. Fight. Morris, make a sneeze. For stop more. Let's go. Let's look at this. Let's go. Let's scoot. Fly Guy and the freaking fly. Round 3. Fight. No, I didn't use that. Not gonna run this. Let's quit. Pete the cat. Too cool for school. Round 4. Fight. Morris, make me sneeze. What? Don't worry. What? Don't! Whiskers. Morris, make me sneeze. I don't. Wait. I'm just gonna wait with something. The goose. Round 6. You're welcome for the trip. Round 5. Fight.
On time, and you've got a kitty cat taking your place at home. You're not just not a boss, you're not even a good baby. So are you calling for help from a real executive baby who hasn't gone soft? Because I'm one of those. No, I'm calling to set the table for how breathtaking my victory will be later, and to get the last word.
Pete the cat. Robo Pete. Round 6. Fight. This is gonna like here. Oh, where the Pete the cat. Snow days. Round 7. Fight. Peter cat, scuba cat. Round 8. Fight.
This house first stays out for good.
What? That is an insane contest. Why would you even offer that?
You don't think I can win?
That's not what I'm saying. Meow.
I honestly can't tell if you're agreeing to terms or just swearing at me.
Meow.
I'll take it as a yes. Deal. May the cutest baby win. Jimbo, will you please stop petting the cat?
Let's go with Finally presents the White House. Final round. Fight. Oh, Morris, make me sneeze. What are they talking about? There's gonna be lost forever. No, I got it for face. You gotta tomorrow. I got them.
You're both so cute. I don't know who to hug first.
Same time.
Baby, no.
Hey, Morris, make these knees. That's the reason. It's good. Wait! No. What happened?
Timothy Templeton? It wasn't me, Mom. The kitten. Oh, the kitten was playing football in the living room? What? We'll discuss punishment later. For now, just go outside. You can roughhouse all you want out there. And take the baby with you. I don't want him around all this broken glass.
Outside? I lost.
Forget the stupid contest. You don't have to go. We can fix this.
No, Templeton. I made a deal. First out stays out. And I stand by my word. Bootsy Calico, I can't say I like you, but I respect a challenge well played.
Oh my God! Whiskers, Morris, make these knees, or what the? Or is Morris, make these knees, or the good if it's always good possible. I took to me. There's like a word that I come to quit with school, but well, Morris, make these knees. I don't want to wait too good. You good at top or toy are silver trap or not. There's a good Morris make needs or you so good off of the office road or this what do Whisker Morris make these needs or yes, a sake. There's a cover. There's a question on Morris make these needs or I got you would to kill over sake the office organ instead or Morris. It was Morris make these knees or you're talking about there's a good super overdone or you have like the figures gonna you you're queer or a creatures or did they think stop or not? Doesn't work. It'll be a two way I didn't dare.
Now! First out, stay out. Boom! Still got it.
Did your plan happen?
Great so the game is no ways. 20, the scare is short balls.
Come here. I'll get a promotion. The corner office with my own private body.
So when you're done, you're coming back here?
ASAP, TIM. I'm not a family man. I belong behind a desk.
That's awesome!
I know, right?
Pew pew!
But, so help me, I will nail his diaper to the wall!